Here's why you should buy the new Honda Accord. 1. 38 miles per gallon on the highway, 30 in the city. Even though prices on gas are hovering much lower these days, the fuel efficiency of the Accord will save you a fair amount of cash. Between the 38 miles per gallon on the highway and 30 in the city, you'll be averaging around 33 miles per gallon if you travel both on your commute. 2. It's made right here in America. The Japanese automaker will continue manufacturing the new Accord at its Maryville, Ohio, plant. While this isn't breaking news, Accords have been built there since '82, it's nice to know the car of the year will continue to bolster the economy of Maryville and beyond. 3. Affordability factor is on point. The 2018 Accord's price point makes the car accessible to a wide variety of consumers. Starting at $23,570 for the LX and topping out at $33,800, the cost of a new Accord won't break the bank. And even though the starting price is a little over $1,000 more than the 2017 Accord, Honda's Sensing Safety Suite comes standard with the base model. 4. Safety first thanks to Honda Sensing. Honda Sensing is the standard safety technology featured on every Accord. For drivers, this translates to enhanced safety on the road that could inevitably prevent a crash. The collision mitigation braking system enables the car to both sense and brake in the event of an unavoidable collision ahead. Cameras on the outside of the vehicle can sense markers on the road, helping you keep it between the mustard and the mayo. With all the standard safety features of the Accord, the 2018 model essentially helps drive the car for you. 5. Comfort and roominess aren't being compromised. When it comes to kicking back and enjoying the ride, the Accord doesn't leave much to be desired. Honda lengthened the wheelbase by 2 inches on the new car, leaving more wiggle room for everyone on those long road trips.